We are going to stick to different kinds of reflections for a little bit longer because there's one more thing that we might need to take care of. So looking at this image, we also have some of the reflections on the floor. And it really depends on the person, on the company. Some would prefer to keep it more natural, and some of course would prefer to keep it rather clean. So sometimes you might get the request to clean up the floor. To be honest, for this image, I would really like to see a quite clean floor. So what I would do here, I would simply clean this up in the similar way as I worked before. Wherever we can do it, without the help of the selection, we can do it. So as you can see over here, seems I'm doing quite okay without making the precise selection. And I believe also inside I would be able to clean this up here, unless I would like to soften this up. But I think for now this will be absolutely okay. Making sure the edge is also clean. So this wasn't difficult. We have some more of this, and in some areas, as you can see, we can do it easily, just like this over here. But in some areas, we will require making some of the selection. And this could be the area here. I could probably manage this by myself, and the area here. And also over here, we will be slowly leading towards the subject of removing these gums that stick the objects to the floor. It's quite a common method to do this. So over here, I'm going to make the selection just like this. Not going to remove all of the gum now, but part of it. So let's go here and just like this. So that should do the job. I'm going to make selection, and I'm going to try to do this simply with the clone stamp. Will give me a little bit more natural results, but I have to be sure that I'm not bringing anything more. If it's too difficult, we can always use just tool that will help us to paint. And as you can see, it looks okay. This one I'm going to keep for a little bit later. And over here also seems maybe I could manage with no selection. But of course, it doesn't mean you have to go with no selection. I understand there is different level. Some people are more advanced, some people are less. So it depends how you find it comfortable. So this is the result at the moment, and let's move further.